Hey everyone. Today we're going to show you how to use the timesheets and GPS location tracking features of the app. These features are especially helpful in keeping track of which employees are working, where, and when. The first thing we're going to do is tap on the timesheets icon to open the timesheets menu. Here you'll see a list of any times that have already been entered in your timesheet for this pay period. When you're ready to clock in, tap on the green clock in button. If this is the first time you're clocking in, you're going to be prompted to enable your location services on your device and to allow Probuild specifically to access those services. We'll never use your location information for any other purposes. It's strictly to access the functionality of the app. You'll then be prompted to select the project under which you want to record time. Only projects that are in progress will be listed here. If you're looking to log time for general work outside of a specific project, then just tap on the skip button at the top. Otherwise, select the project. So you're now clocked in and it'll automatically record time against the project you've just specified. Now, if you're interested in seeing the timesheet information for all of the users on your team, just tap on View All Users. And here you'll see listed the totals for that specific time period. If you're interested, you can export the data. When you tap export, it will automatically send an email to the business email address that's listed in your profile with the CSV file attached. You can also tap on the arrow to navigate to previous pay periods and view the data for them as well. Now, if you want to get a better look at what's going on with a specific project, best way to do that is to head over to the project feed. Now, if we open a project, one thing we'll notice is you'll see the timesheet icon. Beside it is a number of hours, total number of hours logged towards that project to date. If you tap on that icon, you'll be presented with a list of all the users who've logged time towards the project. Now, the other advantage to having your users clock in is that you can see in real time where those employees are located. So if we expand the map view at the top of the project feed, we'll get a real-time view of where each of those users is located. If you're not in a project and you want to access the map view, simply tap on the location icon in the top right corner. Now, when you're ready to clock out, just head back over to the timesheet tab and tap on clock out. Now, let's say after the fact you realize that you forgot to enter time or you forgot to clock into a specific job, you can always go back and add that time manually, provided you have the permissions. So you just tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner, do a manual entry, select the project, the date, and enter the times, and you can add some notes as to explain why it is that you're doing a manual entry, and then hit done, you're finished. And that's it. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to reach out. And thanks again for using Probuild.